What's up everyone? If you don't already know, my name's Cody with the Boathouse at Cape Coral. I'm currently standing on a 2025 Pursuit S358. This is one of our current in-stock pre-owned pieces of inventory. Let's check it out. Jumping right into it, this Pursuit is powered by twin Yamaha 425s with roughly 250 hours on them. This boat is also equipped with a Seakeeper gyro, all of your Garmin electronics, and my favorite part, it's gonna come with a Starlink keeping you connected on the water. With all the seating that the 358 Pursuit offers, it makes it a perfect blend between fishing and cruising with the family, making it a perfect pre-owned option for the Southwest Florida waterways. At the Boathouse, all of our pre-owned inventory goes through a rigorous inspection process by a master technician to make sure that on delivery day, your new to you boat is ready for the water. Once again, guys, my name's Cody with the Boathouse at Cape Coral. This is just one of many of our premium pre-owned inventory. Be sure to check out our website, boathouseh2o.com. We come across all the brands you love, and we hope to see you on the next one.